Hey loves, today's another workout with me video, so if you want to get a quick ab workout in, keep watching. But first, give this video a thumbs up if you like these workout with me videos. Okay, first up, we're doing the knee to elbow for 15 seconds with the right arm extension. Switch and do the other side for 15 seconds. Okay, 10-second break. We're going to repeat the same exercise. Switch. Break for 10 seconds. Next exercise will be the reverse crunches for 30 seconds. Make sure you're engaging your core. Break for 10. Again, reverse crunches for 30 seconds. Break for 10. And then we'll be doing the controlled bicycle crunches for 30 seconds. Break. Again, bicycle crunches for 30 seconds. Break. Up next, we're doing the one-sided ankle taps for 30 seconds. This is going to help snatch that waist. switch. Break. Next up, ankle taps for 30 seconds. Again, make sure you're engaging your core. Try to relax your neck. Break for 10. Next, we'll be reaching crunches for 30 seconds. Engage your core. Break for 10. Next, we're doing mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Break for 10. Finally, knee to elbow plank for 30 seconds. That's it for this workout. If you made it to the end, give this video a thumbs up and drop a purple heart down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.